Millions of websites and blogs around the world are powered by WordPress. WordPress is currently the most widely used CMS platform in the world, and more sites are using it. As someone who makes their living on the web once discovered, with great power comes great responsibility. WordPress is extremely powerful, but what about maintenance? Maintaining a WordPress site is a lot more involved than maintaining a regular website. You need to have a really good system in place for upgrading your WordPress software, your WordPress plugins, backing up your site files and databases, and keeping your site secure and protected. Now look, I admit that WordPress maintenance is not the most exciting part of using WordPress, but it's probably one of the most vitally important. Let me show you just why this is so important. The first issue is the issue of vulnerabilities in older WordPress versions. Now WordPress software gets regularly updated, and they have to update WordPress in order to address issues like bug fixes, security fixes, and to improve general features of the software. Now you can see here just a quick screen capture that shows you just how regularly WordPress gets updated. On average, once every 3 months, you are going to need to update your WordPress software. Now, even Google is notifying WordPress users to update their WordPress sites, and Google doesn't even own WordPress. What happens is that when WordPress gets updated, many WordPress plugins also have to get updated as well. So WordPress plugins also get regularly updated. So keeping the software and the plugins updated is important. And the reason why is because malicious users can easily detect and exploit security issues and vulnerabilities in the older versions of WordPress. So upgrading your blog and your plugins to the latest version helps to protect your site from hackers and malicious users. The other important issue to consider is to prevent loss of valuable data. Just ask yourself what would happen if you lost all of the data on your site. Now, it's important to understand that all of your WordPress data is stored in a MySQL database. So all of your posts, pages, comments, categories, settings, etc. are all stored in one location on your server. And MySQL databases can and do fail. So your WordPress database needs to be regularly checked, optimized, repaired, and backed up. The solution is simple. Regularly maintain and back up your WordPress MySQL database. And don't forget, back up all of your WordPress files too, because you may need to restore or reinstall your site if something goes wrong. Now, every WordPress site needs maintenance. WordPress site maintenance is not only important, it's actually vital to your online presence. As we've just covered, you need to protect your blog from hackers and malicious attacks, prevent loss of valuable data, troubleshoot and repair conflicts and errors, ensure optimal performance of your site, add new functionalities to improve your business, and depending on the situation, you may need to restore your blog data or completely reinstall your site if required. So, are you keeping your WordPress site maintained?